Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be talking about a possible next rotation from healthcare or tech to small caps. So if you guys don't know what the IWM is, it's the Russell 2000, and it contains 2000 small caps. So like we have AMC, a lot of meme stocks are in this. So over 2,000 companies tracking smaller companies and small caps. And right now I'm seeing this as a potential new sector that we can rotate into. Now what I like about this is that right now we can tell that it's the bottom, because one thing to consider is that it is under the 10% mark. So it has been down over 10% from all-time highs. For example, if we look at the S&P 500, a great tool to look if the correction is over is to see if it's down 10%. And as you can see, if the S&P 500 is down over 10%, we can see a major dip buying opportunity and a reversal. So for our IWM, it's down 10%. We have this nice consolidation right over here. I'm looking to grab couple months of expirations. Now, another thing that is interesting on IWM is if we look at the weekly and we zoom out, we can see the rotations happening every 2 years. Like 2014, we had 2017, 2019, and now 2021. And I think this is a great opportunity for the small caps to run, and I'm personally looking to get multiple months of expiration on here. So a very simple video on a possible next rotation. We discussed healthcare, so right around over here we discussed healthcare, and we saw a huge surge in healthcare, and then we talked about tech. So right over here, tech went flying. Same with oil. So right around over here with oil, Apple. So right over here, I think this is going to be the next big rotation in my opinion, and I'll be looking to alert it in Discord a couple months out. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another thing is I'm loving this MACD curl right over here. So overall, very simple video, and thank you for watching.